DecoNetwork makes it easy to export orders to a CSV. Simply come into the admin, come into Reports, Export Orders, and here we can click CSV, Create Export, choose to export the newest orders, everything that's come in since our last export, or we can export between a date range, which maybe we select last month. So we'll do June 1st through June 30th. And then we could choose if we want a summary, one line for the entire order, or the order line items. For every line in the order, we have a row in the CSV. Once we click that and save, it'll start beginning to create that export. Now, a couple things that are very important. One, if you're here in the export orders, come over here to settings. You want to make sure that you're exporting your orders at the correct point. Are we exporting them once they've been ordered, once they've been invoiced, or once they've been shipped? This is important. Secondly, you can come into the order summary columns or to the line item columns and select what columns are available. It's way better to over-export the information and get rid of what you don't need than it is to not export enough and struggle to get what you need. So things like billing and shipping information, taxes, design, sales person assigned. There's a lot of information here that you can include in the CSV, which does make for better reporting, especially if you're going to drop the CSV into an AI tool afterward. If you have any questions on how to export orders to a CSV or anything else related to DecoNetwork, simply come up to the question mark, reach out to support, or visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.